Hi, welcome back to my channel. So this is Model Monday episode 5, and here I have a Panzer III Osprey G Africa Corps, and it comes with Dolce Africa Corps soldiers. I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly. And this kit was kindly sent to me along with a few others by Steve Bacon from IPMS. So first, starting off, is the lower hull. This is a bathtub style hull, and has really nice detail. I don't think there's any cleanup necessary for this. You have to put the back plate on. Other than that, it's one piece. Next are parts for the upper hull. These are nicely detailed engine area. Here are some turret details and exterior pieces. Next is the drive sprocket and either wheels. And this other thing. So here is the other part of the jack and other pieces. More of the wheels. And here we have a bunch of the turret pieces. So, a couple piece turret. It's got the basket in the back. And then there's a bunch of other pieces. Then these are more pieces, the fenders, and some other smaller details. More wheels. And these are other parts for the turret and upper hull. Finishing off the pieces for the turret. Engine bay pieces. And the other drive sprocket and either wheel. And then lastly are these two other sprues with wheels on it. Oh, actually, these are the either wheels, sorry. The other ones were just the road wheels. Alright, so that's it for the sprues in this kit. Not too many pieces, but it seems to me that it's nicely detailed. Here is the instruction manual. So, soldiers. I didn't see the soldiers somewhere here. I don't know if they are here. But here are the instructions for the lower hull, starting the tracks. These are link by link tracks. I don't know where those went. I do not know where that went. I will find those. And here's starting the turret, adding more details. So that's it for that. Next are the decals. Bunch of different ones. If you can see that. So they molded the swastikas into decal, or they not printed, sorry. Printed the swastikas into decals. And then it comes with a tiny bit of photo etch for the grills. So the tracks were not sent with this kit, but he actually also included another Panzer III, and that one had the tracks. So I just thought I would show you that. Decent detail in their link and link tracks. It comes with 3 of those. So that is it for this Panzer III. I will have more reviews and videos out soon. Thanks for watching.